The fall leaves make their journey to the ground in a blaze of color. I'll paint them in gouache in my sketchbook. Using a long thin brush, I paint the main central branches that support this mass of leaves. Then I can subdivide that into smaller and smaller shapes. I can't help but think of Sonnet 73 by Shakespeare. That time of year thou mayst in me behold, when yellow leaves, or none or few, do hang upon those boughs which shake against the cold, bare ruined choirs where late the sweet birds sang. In me thou seest the twilight of such day as after sunset fadeth in the west, which by and by black night doth take away, death's second self, that seals up all in rest. In me thou seest the glowing of such fire, that on the ashes of his youth doth lie, as the deathbed whereon it must expire, consumed with that which it was nourished by. This thou perceiv'st, which makes thy love more strong, to love that well which thou must leave ere long. If you're new to the channel, you can binge out on a playlist or watch this related video about autumn leaves, or you can subscribe to this channel, make sure you don't miss anything, or visit my website